So here we see the freshly launched DF2 from Raise3D. It's a resin DLP printer, and as you can see, it's quite big. So we have roughly 20 by 12 by 30 centimeters, and it's a DLP printer, so you can expect high precision. Even if it just shows a 2K resolution on the datasheet, you will have a really precise pixel, so the quality that is coming out of the machine is really outstanding. So a very smooth surface, so that customers that come by here are convinced that, for example, this resin tank is the original inject molding part, but when you open it, you can see that this is a printed version, and so that shows how good the quality is of this machine, so that you convince someone that this is injected molding. And also the other parts are really nice. So, and the machine is really easy to handle. So you have, for example, an automatic pumping system with a scale that also shows how much is in there. And of course, also there's an ultrasonic sensor that checks how much resin is actually in the resin vat. So you have a heating for the chamber, you have air filtration. This is magnetic holder, so you can lock it over a special system, so you don't need to screw something. And as you can see, there is information stored on this one. So you bring, with the build plate, bring the information to the next machine, so that are actually, so this is the curing station, and this is the washing station, and you bring, with that information on there, you bring the information for the curing time, washing time, with the print, with the build plate, and that's really handy. So you can't make a mistake for that. And another nice feature that's on the machine is the magic layout. So if you have a print file and you click on magic layout, you can on the machine change the G-code basically, and if you want to, you can just fill it up or delete single parts. So that's really handy and makes it easier. If you just have one test print and you're satisfied with a test print, you can then just go for a full load of objects on the build plate, and that's really nice. So basically a very easy to use machine and a really nice set. So that will change the way people produce in DLP, I would say.